if your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob stopped working or you got a replacement, here's what you need to know before trying to program it. First, it's important to understand that most Hyundai Santa Fe models do not support full key fob programming at home. Unlike older cars, the Santa Fe usually requires a dealership or locksmith scan tool to program the fob to the vehicle's immobilizer system. That said, you can still do a quick check to see what kind of key you have. If your key is a basic remote with lock and unlock only, some older Santa Fe models allow limited resyncing. If your key has a push-to-start button, it almost always requires professional programming. For older models with a standard key, start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ON position without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock or unlock button on the fob for about 10 seconds. If the locks cycle, the remote has resynced. If nothing happens, the fob is either incompatible, dead, or needs to be programmed with a scan tool. Try replacing the battery before assuming the fob is bad. A weak battery is one of the most common causes of failure. For push-to-start Santa Fe models, programming requires a dealership or an automotive locksmith. They connect a diagnostic tool, pair the fob to the car's computer, and verify security codes. This usually takes only a few minutes, but cannot be done manually at home. Quick recap: replace the battery first, try resyncing only on older models, and for newer Santa Fe key fobs, dealer or locksmith programming is required. Like and subscribe if I helped you.